Hey, can we talk about something important today? Something many people feel, but almost nobody says?
Yeah, because sometimes the people around you are not really friends.
And maybe you already feel it. A small voice in your mind saying, something is wrong.
So today, we explain the 5 signs someone is pretending to be your friend. Not a lecture, not a lesson, just a real talk.
So sit with us, breathe, listen, and maybe you will finally understand something about your life.
Sign number 1, they talk but never listen. You know this type of person. You talk, you open your heart, and they don't hear you.
They look at their phone, they change the subject, or they wait for you to stop talking so they can talk again.
A real friend listens. Not perfectly, not always, but they try.
But a fake friend? They only want attention. They want you to be an audience, not a friend.
And after talking to them, you feel empty, like your words didn't matter.
If someone never listens to your feelings, your problems, your dreams, then maybe they don't care about you. Not really. Sign number 2, they only come when they need something. This sign hurts because it looks like friendship at first.
Yeah, they show up happy, friendly, sweet, but only when they want something.
But when you need help, no time, no energy, no message back.
And suddenly, they disappear, like a ghost.
Real friends stay for hard moments. Fake friends stay for benefits.
Think about this. If a person comes only when they need something, then they don't want you. They want what you give. Sign number 3, their jokes hurt you. Friends joke, yes, but some jokes hurt.
Fake friends say something mean. And when you look sad, they say, relax, it's just a joke.
But a joke that hurts is not funny. It's a message that says, I don't respect you.
Real friends protect your feelings. Fake friends play with your feelings.
If someone makes you feel small, again and again, that person is not safe.
Sign number 4, they feel happy when you fail. This is the darkest sign, but also the most honest.
A fake friend gets jealous when you win, when you grow, when life gets better for you.
And when you fall, when you make a mistake, when you lose something,
They smile inside because your pain makes them feel better than you.
if someone loves you only when you are weak, that is not love. That is control.
Real friends want you to shine. Fake friends want you to stay small.
And hey, before we go to the last sign, can we ask you something?
Yeah. If you like this episode, please click like. It really helps our podcast grow.
And don't forget to subscribe. We make new episodes every week, and we want you here with us.
Okay, now let's continue. Sign number 5. You feel tired after talking to them. Your body knows the truth, even before your mind knows.
Some people give you peace. Some people give you stress.
If you feel tired, sad, angry, or heavy after talking to someone, every time, that person is draining your energy.
Real friends make you feel light, safe, warm,
Fake friends make you feel like something is wrong with you.
but nothing is wrong with you. You're just with the wrong person.
So, did you recognize someone? A classmate? A friend from childhood? Someone in your messages right now?
It's okay. You are not alone. Many people have fake friends around them, and they don't even know.
But now, you know. Now you see the signs.
And listen, you deserve better. Better people, better energy, better love.
Don't be afraid to let go. Sometimes, letting go is how you grow.
And if you have one real friend, just one, that is already enough.
And remember, we are here with you. Every week, every episode.
Take care of your heart. It's the only one you have.